Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go over some 5 off of 25 breakdowns for August 30th and 31st at Dollar General. They are having a 2-day sale for Friday and Saturday, August 30th and 31st. And what's great is we got digitals for both Friday and Saturday, and in your sales flyer there is another 5 off 25 for Friday. The first deal I'm going to do has a low out-of-pocket. I have quite a few subscribers that really like that low out-of-pocket, so I'm going to try to include one of those in all of my 5 off 25 breakdown videos that I do. You want to pick up 4 Febreze Air Effects for $3 each. You could also get different Febreze products, just make sure you get 4 of them and they're $3 each, and I suggest scanning them on your app just to make sure the coupon works. Then you want 1 Febreze plug warmer, and they are on sale this week for $3. Next, you want the Crest Pro Health 4.6 ounce, and that is $3. Just make sure you're scanning your toothpaste with the app to make sure the coupon matches, because a lot of the times when we get a digital coupon for toothpaste, it doesn't match what it's supposed to. Then you want one of the Always Discreet liners. The 26 count is $3. And you want one of the Chic razors. The Coconut Delight is $4.50 and the Classic Sensitive is $4.50. Just choose one of them. And lastly, you want one of the Bic Crystal Extra Bold 8-pack assorted pens, on sale this week for $1. Now we're going to go over the coupons that you will need to do this deal. You want the digital save $3 on 2 Febreze products. And out of the $8.25 Procter & Gamble, you want the buy one Febreze product, get one free up to $3. The Dollar General store coupon for save $2 when you spend $12 on any Febreze air fresheners. Now we can stack this coupon because it is a store coupon, so we can stack it with the manufacturer coupon. The digital save $3 on 1 Febreze plug warmer, and that $2 off 12 Febreze does match up with the warmer. I scanned it on my app. The digital save $2 on 1 Crest 3 ounce or more, and like I was saying, there's tons of exclusions, so make sure you're scanning that toothpaste. The digital save $2 on 1 Always Discreet product. The digital save $3 on any 1 Chic disposable, and there are exclusions. And lastly, the save $1 on any 1 Bic stationery product. Also, guys, don't forget you need that 5 off of 25 for all of these deals I'm showing you. So your total's $26.50. You have $24 in coupons, leaving your total before tax just $2.50. All right, so deal number 2 is going to be all digital, and it's going to incorporate some of that toilet paper on sale. The Scott Comfort Plus 6 Big Roll or the Cottonelle Clean Care 6 Big Roll is going to be buy one, get one free. Now, it's important to note that your free toilet paper that you get is not counted towards your $25 total. The one that you're buying counts towards it, but the one you're getting free will not go towards that $25. You want to pick up 2 of the Scott Comfort Plus 6 rolls for $2.75 each. And 2 of the Cottonelle Ultra Clean 6 big rolls for $4 a piece. Then you want to pick up one of those Febreze warmers for $3. The Always Discreet liners 26 count for $3. The Crest Pro Health 4.6 ounce toothpaste for $3. And 1 of the Chic disposable razors for $4.50. And 2 of the Gain Ultra Dish Liquid 21.6 ounce, and they're $2 a piece. Lastly, you want the Bic Extra Bold 8-pack assorted pens for $1. All right, we're going to go over the coupons that you will need, and these will all be digital coupons from your app. You want that save $3 on 1 Febreze warmer. The save $2 on 1 Always Discreet product. Save $2 on one Crest toothpaste, 3 ounce or more. Save $3 off any one Schick disposable. And the save $2 on 2 Gain dishwashing liquid products, 21.6 ounce or larger. And that save $1 on any one Bic stationery product. So your total is going to be $25.25. You have $18 in coupons, leaving your total before tax just $7.25. All right, deal number 3, we're going to get some more toilet paper, and we're going to use digital and paper coupons. You want to pick up 4 of the Cottonelle Ultra Clean Care toilet paper, 6 big rolls for $4. Then you want 1 of these Poise products. They're $5 each. Just read your coupon carefully because certain ones you cannot buy. Then you want the Febreze plug warmer for $3. And I keep using this, you guys, because it's $3 and by the time your coupon comes off, it's free. So it's great to add to a breakdown. And then you want 1 of those Schick disposable razors. Just make sure it's $4.50. And lastly, you want the Gillette Sensor 3 men's disposable razor, 4 count for $5. All right, now let's go over the coupons that you will need for this deal. From the $8.25 Smart Source, you want the save $3 on any one package of Poise. Now, you can see the ones that it excludes, but there are ones that you can get that the coupon will work on. You want that digital save $3 on 1 Febreze warmer. The save $3 off any one Schick disposable. And out of the $8.25 Procter & Gamble, the save $3 on 1 Gillette disposable, 2 count or larger. So your total is going to be $25.50. You have $17 in coupons, leaving your total before tax just $8.50. Deal number 4, and we're going to have laundry products in this deal. You want 1 of the Tide Pods 16 count for $4.95. You want the Downy Wrinkle Guard 25 ounce for $4.50. Then you want 2 of the Febreze Air Effects for $3 each, or you could get different $3 Febreze products. That Febreze warmer for $3. Then you want 2 of the Gain Ultra Dish Liquid, 21.6 ounce, and they're $2 a piece. And lastly, that Crest Pro Help 4.6 ounce for $3. All right, we're going to go over the coupons, and the coupons that you're going to use are going to be all digital coupons. You want the save $2 on 1 Tide liquid laundry detergent or the pods. These save $2 on 1 Downy Wrinkle Guard 25 ounce. Save $3 on 2 Febreze products. And make sure you notice that exclusion there. It does not include the plug scented oil warmer. You want that $3 off 1 Febreze plug scented oil warmer. These save $2 on 2 Gain dishwashing liquid 21.6 ounce or larger. And the save $2 on 1 Crest toothpaste 3 ounce or more. So your total is going to be $25.45. You have $19 in coupons, leaving your total before tax just $6.45. All right, everyone, I'd like to thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'd love to have you subscribe if you're new. If there's any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below this video. I'm sorry I didn't type out the list of what to buy and which coupons to use, but I'm having a really busy week, and I just don't have the time to do it. I will try to do it next week, though. Also, a quick reminder, if you shop this weekend, definitely be scanning those receipts on Fetch. The Scott and the Cottonelle will give you points back on Fetch. And if you don't have Fetch, I will leave the link in the description box below this video. Every time you buy something, you take a picture of your receipt and it gives you points, and the points turn into money. And if you use my referral code down below, Then the first receipt you take a picture of, I think it'll give you a couple thousand points. Also, make sure you keep an eye out for new digital coupons we may get through the week. Today's only Tuesday, so we might have some really good ones coming yet. And please don't forget to take advantage of the scanning option on your Dollar General app to make sure those coupons are going to work when you get up to the register. All right, everyone, have a great week, and I'll talk to you later.